Hello kids, see what a beautiful picture I have with me. Can you tell me what you see in this picture? Yes, clouds. See, two clouds are there in the sky. And what else you can see in the picture? Yes, it's a beautiful tree. And under the tree, two birds are sitting. Right? See, I have another picture. What you can see in this picture? Two ants are doing their work. What they are doing? They are making a house. They are making house for themselves. What else you can see? Two flowers are there, right? And rest is the grass. See, I have another scenery with me. What you can see? The birds are flying in the sky. And sun is rising. There are beautiful flowers on the grass. And a beautiful tree is here. So can anyone tell me what is this clouds, tree, birds, ants, flowers? What are all these? These all are nature. What is this? This is all about nature. What is it? It's a nature. Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Educate Your Child. Today we are going to learn about nature. Nature is what? क्या है नेचर? नेचर रेफर्स टू द नेचुरल वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस. जो नेचुरली चीजें हमारे आसपास हैं उनको हम नेचर बोलते हैं, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर ट्रीज, क्लाउड्स, बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, insects, your flowers, these all are nature. And apart from that, your mountains, lakes, ponds, oceans, forests. Why we call them as nature? Because it is not created by a man. किसी ने नहीं बनाया है इसको भगवान ने बनाया है. या हम कहते हैं कि नेचर ने बनाया. It is created by a nature, or we can say in other words that it is created by a God. Right? It is created by a God. हमने तो नहीं बनाया. We themselves are nature as well, because हमें भी nature ने बनाया है, हमें भी भगवान ने बनाया है. We are also created by a nature. We are nature's creation. हम nature की creation है. So we are also nature. Let's understand this concept with some more examples. What you can see here? What is it? Yes, it's a snow. What is it? The tip of the mountain is a peak. Yes. And what are these all? These all are birds. Yes. And what is this? It's a mountain. What is this? It's a valley. This is a plain area. And it's a tree. Again, these are the hills. Hills क्या होते हैं? Small mountains को हम hills बोलते हैं. Mountains which are small in size, they are called as hills. Okay, children? It's a animal. What he is doing? It is grazing. What is this? It's a river. And fishes are moving in the water. And what is this? This is a river bank, right? And what else we can see in this? Trees, flowers, these all are created by nature, or we can say this is all about nature. ये सब चीजें nature है, right? Okay. Now let's do some activity related to this concept. Write the missing letter for the following pictures related to nature. अब ये nature की pictures हैं, right? What are these? Clouds. Clouds are also created by nature. So C-L-O-U-D, cloud. What is this? Sky. Very good, kids. Sky. S-K-Y. What are these? Mountains. What are the spellings of mountains? M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. And what is this? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it's a rainbow. When there is a huge rain occurs, and after the rain, the rainbow appears. Have you ever seen rainbow? Yes, rainbow appears in the sky after the heavy rain, right? So, R-A-I-N-B-O-W. And what are these? Waves. Wave or waterfall. Waterfall. What is this? Hill. H-I-L-L, hill. What is this? Sun. Every morning the sun rises, yes, and it rises naturally. We are not here to make the sun rise. No, it's not in our hands. It rises naturally, right? And what is this? River. R-I-V-E-R. What is this? It's a tree. What are the spellings of tree? T-R-E-E, tree. Okay, students, I hope you understand this concept. Let's recapitulate one more time. What is nature? Nature which is created by a God or which is created by itself. That is a nature. For example, everything which is created naturally around us. For example, water. Water is natural, right? Soil, your sand, your trees, your even the fruits and vegetables, they are also natural. They are also nature, right? And your air around you, your rain, your rocks, mountains, minerals, these all are nature. Okay, students, I hope you understand this concept very well. In case if you have any doubts, then do comment in the comment box. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.